Hari Om. Today's Narayaniyam video is in loving memory of our beloved mother, Srimati Mangalam Venkatraman, who passed away this day and date in the year 2019, an auspicious Margazhi first Wednesday, which is considered as Kuchela Dinam.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 87. ಕುಚೇಲೋಪಾಖ್ಯಾನಂ, ದ ಕುಚೇಲ ಎಪಿಸೋಡ್. This dashaka is based on Bhagavata Skanda 10, chapters 80 and 81. Shloka 1. कुचेलनामा भवतः सतीर्थ्यतां गतः ससान्दीपनिमन्दिरे द्विजः त्वदेकरागेण धनादिनिःस्पृहो दिनानि निन्ये प्रशमी गृहाश्रमी. Word by word meaning. Sandipani Mandire, at the hermitage of sage Sandipani. Bhavatah, of thine. Satirthyatam Gataha, who was a fellow disciple. Kuchela Nama, by name Kuchela. Grihashrami, a householder. Saha Dvijaha, that Brahmana. Tvadeka Ragena, being totally devoted to thee. Dhanadi Nispruhaha, free from desire for wealth, etc. Prashami, of calm mind. Dinani Ninye, was spending his days. Full meaning. The Brahmana by name Kuchela, who was thy fellow disciple at the hermitage of sage Sandipani, who was totally devoted to thee and free from all desire for wealth, etc., was spending his days as a householder, his mind always calm. Shloka 2. Samanashilapi tadiyavallabha tathaiva no chittajayam sameyushi कदाचिदूचे भत वृत्तिलब्धये रमापतिः किं न सखा निषेव्यते. Word by word meaning. Samana Sheela api, though of the same desireless nature. Tadiya Vallabha, his wife. Tatha eva, to the same extent. Chitta Jayam, control over the mind. No Sameyushi, not having attained. Kadachit, one day. Uche, said. Vritti Labdaye, for getting a means of livelihood. Sakha Ramapatihi, your friend, the consort of Lakshmi. Kim na nishevyate, why do you not approach? Bata, oh. Full meaning. His wife, though of the same desireless nature, had not attained control over her mind to the same extent, and so one day she asked him, why not approach your friend Krishna for getting some means of livelihood? Shloka 3. Iti ritoyam priyaya क्षुधार्तया जुगुप्समानोऽपि धने मदावहे. तदा त्वदालोकनकौतुकाद्ययौ वहन् पटान्ते पृथुकानुपायनम्. Word by word meaning. Kshudartaya, who was afflicted by hunger. Priyaya, by his wife. Iti, Iritah, told thus. I am, that Kuchela. Madavahe dhane, towards wealth that generates arrogance. Jugup samanah api, though he felt revulsion. Tada, then. Tvadaloka nakautukat, because of eagerness to see the patante in one corner of his cloth. Upayanam, as an offering. Pruthukan Vahan, carrying some parched and flattened rice. Yayav, set out. Full meaning. Told thus by his wife, who was afflicted by hunger, Kuchela, though he felt revulsion towards wealth because it generates arrogance, set out because of his eagerness to see thee, carrying some parched and flattened rice tied to one end of his garment as an offering to thee. Shloka 4. गतोऽयमाश्चर्यमयीं भवत्पुरीं गृहेषु शैब्याभवनं समेयिवान् प्रविश्य वैकुण्ठमिवाप निर्वृतिं तवातिसम्भावनया तु किं पुनः. Word by word meaning. I am, he. Ashcharyamayim, which was full of wonders. Bhavatpurim, thy city. Gatah, reaching. Griheshu, among all the 16,008 houses. Shaibya Bhavanam, the house of Mitravinda. Sameyivan, entering. Vaikuntam, Pravishya, Eva, as if having entered Vaikunta. Nirvritim avapa, felt supreme joy. Tava, ati sambhavanaya tu, and with the extremely cordial reception by thee. Kim punaha, what more could be desired? Full meaning. On reaching thy city, which was full of wonderful sights, he entered the house of Mitravinda among all the 16,008 houses of thy wives, and felt supreme joy as if he had entered Vaikunta itself. What with the extremely cordial reception by thee, what more could one wish for? Note: the city of Dwaraka was built in a most wonderful manner by Vishwakarma. There were separate houses for each of the 16,008 wives of the Lord. Shloka 5. प्रपूजितं तं प्रियया च वीजितं करे गृहीत्वा कथयः पुरा कृतम् यदिन्धनार्थं गुरुदारचोदितैः अपर्तुवर्षं तदमर्षि कानने. Word by word meaning. Prapujitam, who was well honored by thee. Priyaya, Vijitam cha, and fanned by thy consort herself. Tam, him. Kare, Gruhitva, taking by the hand. Gurudhara Choditaihi. At the request of the teacher's wife, Indhanartham, for collecting fuel, Kanane, in the forest, Apartu Varsham, unseasonal rain, Amarshi, was born, Yat Tat Purakritam, that old incident, Akathayaha, thou didst narrate. Full meaning. He was well honored by thee and fanned by thy consort herself, taking his hands in thine. Thou didst then narrate how once you both went to the forest to gather fuel at the request of your teacher's wife and got caught in an unseasonal rain.
Shloka 6. Trapajushosmat पृथुकं बलादथ प्रगृह्य मुष्टौ सकृदाशिते त्वया कृतं कृतं नन्वियतेति सम्भ्रमाद्रमा किलोपेत्यकरं रुरोधते. Word by word meaning. Atha, then. Trapajushaha, meaning who was feeling shy. Asmat, from him. Tvaya, by thee. Balat, forcibly. Prutukam, pragruhya, snatching the flattened rice. Mushtau, sakrit, ashite. When a handful was eaten just once. Rama, Rukmini. Sambhramat upetya, approaching in consternation. Iyata nanu kritam kritam, meaning this much is enough, enough. Iti, saying thus, te karam, thy hand, rurodha kila, did hold back. Full meaning. On thy taking the flattened rice by force from the shy Kuchela and eating just one handful, Rukmini rushed to thee in consternation and held back thy hand, saying, this much is enough. Shloka 7. Bhakteshu bhaktena sa manitasttvaya purim vasanne kanisham mahasukham bata paredyurdravinam vinayayau vichitrarupastava kalvanugraha. Word by word meaning. Bhakteshu bhaktena tvaya, meaning by thee who art devoted to thy devotees. Manitaha, meaning being honored. Saha, he. Mahasukham, meaning very happily. Eka nisham purim vasan, meaning residing in thy city for one night. Apare dyuhu, meaning the next day. Dravinam vina, without any money. Yayau bata, went back, alas. Tava anugraha, thy blessing. Vichitra rupaha khalu, takes various forms indeed. Full meaning. Being honored by thee, the devotee of thy devotees, he resided in thy city very happily for one night and went back the next day without any money. Thy blessing takes various forms indeed. Shloka 8. यदि ह्ययाचिष्य मदास्यदच्युतो वदामि भार्यां किमिति व्रजन्नसौ त्वदुक्थिलीलास्मितमग्नदीः पुनः क्रमादपश्यन् मणिधिप्रमालयम्. Word by word meaning. Yadi he, if indeed. Aya chishyam, meaning I had asked. Achyutah, Krishna. Adasyat, would have given. Bharyam kim vadami, what shall I tell my wife? Iti, thus thinking. Asau, he. Tvadukti leela smita magnadihi, meaning Tvadukti, thy talk, Leela smita, playful smile, Magnadihi, with mind absorbed in. Punaha, then, Kramat vrajan, meaning gradually walking on. Mani Deepram, Alayam, a house resplendent with gems. Apashyat, saw. Full meaning, saying to himself, if I had only asked, Krishna would certainly have given. What shall I tell my wife? And with his mind absorbed in thinking of thy talk and playful smile, he walked on and suddenly saw a house resplendent with gems. Shloka 9. Kim marga vibhramsha iti भ्रमन् क्षणं गृहं प्रविष्टः स ददर्शवल्लभां सखीपरीतां मणिहेमभूषितां बुबोध च त्वत्करुणां महाद्भुताम्. Word by word meaning. Kim Marga Vibhramshaha. What? Have I lost my way? Iti Kshanam Brahman. Wandering thus for a moment. Griham Pravishtaha. Entering the house. Saha. He. Sakhi Paritam. Surrounded by female attendants. Mani Hema Bhushitam. Adorned with gems and gold ornaments. Vallabham. His wife. Dadarsha. Saw. Tvat Karunam. Thy compassion. Mahadbhutam, as most wonderful. Bubhodacha, realized also. Full meaning. Wondering for a moment whether he had lost his way, he entered the house and saw his wife surrounded by female attendants and wearing ornaments of gold studded with gems. He then realized how wonderful thy compassion was. Shloka 10. Saratnashalasu vasannapi swayam samunnamadbhakti bharomritam yayau tvameva mapurita bhaktavanchito marutpuradhisha harasvame gadan. Word by word meaning. Saha, he. Ratna Shalasu, in a gem-studded building. Vasan api, though residing. Swayam samunna madbhakti varaha, meaning full of devotion which was growing of its own. Amrutam yayav, attained liberation. He, Marut Puradisha, O Lord of Guruvayur, evam, thus. Apurita bhakta vanchitaha, apuritam, fulfilled. Bhakta Vanchitam, the wish of devotees. Who dost fulfill the wishes of devotees? Tvam, thou. Me Gadan, my afflictions. Harasva, eradicate. Full meaning. Though residing in a gem-studded house, Kuchela's devotion grew more and he attained liberation. O Lord of Guruvayur, thou who dost in this manner fulfill the wishes of devotees, deign to eradicate my afflictions. Om Tat Sat.